Hello everyone, welcome to Toppers Talk. Today we have Manish Sharma with us, who secured All India Rank 19 in Aerospace 2024. So, first of all, hearty congratulations, Manish, for securing 19th rank in Aerospace 2024.
Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
So, Manish, can you explain about yourself, like where you have completed your graduation and all?
So my name is Manish Sharma. I have completed my graduation in 2022 from Mahaveer Institute of Science and Technology in Aerospace Engineering.
Okay. Manish, we have few questions related to your preparation. So, we hope that those insights will help the future aspirants for GATE Aerospace 2025-26. Okay. So, coming to the first question, Manish, how many hours in a day you used to dedicate for your preparation?
So at the beginning, as I had a 1 year gap, so I was excited to start a new learning. So I used to study 12 to 14 hours per day.
Okay.
So as the days passed, my excitement decreased. So still I managed to do at least 6 to 8 hours per day. So throughout all the months, I maintained the minimum of 8 months and the maximum to 14 to 16 hours per day.
Okay. And Manish, you enrolled in GATE Aerospace classroom program. How you came to know about us, and what is your experience at GATE Aerospace Academy?
So during my bachelor's, you once visited to a college. So after completing my graduation and realizing that I need to write GATE, the only institute came to my mind was GATE Aerospace Academy. So I wanted to join GATE Aerospace Academy was sure. So now I need to decide whether I should join online, which will be flexible for me, or should I join offline. So from my past experience, I came to know that online is not the thing for me. It will be very flexible, so I'll take it for granted. I'll not study. So in offline, you will be there. The students will be there. So whether I'm interested or not, I need to learn.
Mm.
So this was my reason that you visited my college and the offline work would work for me. So I choose Gateway Space Academy offline program.
Okay. And how was your experience at Gateway Space Academy related to teaching test series and at environment at Gateway Space Academy?
I got Gate AR-19, sir. So my experience was very, very, very good in offline program. You were very helpful. You pushed me a lot, and my classmates, they also helped me to get competitive in the field because I was not at all competitive. I used to take many things as granted, but joining the offline program made me to compete.
Okay.
So the experience was wonderful for me. Because of that experience, I got AR-19.
Okay, Manish. And coming to your revision strategy, how you did revision in your preparation, Manish?
From the day one, sir used to tell me to be consistent in your thing. So I need to choose properly the things which I need to be consistent. So the first thing was to my revision routine. So from the day one, sir told me to revise the things 10 times, 20 times. How many times it is possible? You need to do revision complete daily. So the first thing I used to do in the morning was to revise a topic or the formulas or a subject. So first do revision for 2 to 4 hours, then followed up with the problems. Then again after if some time is left, again do revision for another topic or another subject. So for last for the whole 5 months, I followed this routine to first do revision in the morning, then again followed with the problems, then again revision, again problems. So I used to do two subjects in a day, revision problem, and I used to ask any doubts. I used to ping you at that moment only, and the doubt used to get clarified within 5 minutes.
Okay.
So this was my routine for the 5 to 6 months.
And Manish, coming to the classes, see at Gateway Space Academy, we follow a different curriculum, right? Like we don't teach multiple subjects at a time. We basically teach one or two subjects parallelly. So after each and every topic, we will be having assignments, then tests, then we move to the next topic. So in your preparation, how this strategy helped you in your preparation?
Generally, sir, we used to study one subject, but as two subjects were running, and I had a less time, so I picked up the pace and I have studied two subjects every day. and all the subjects are connected. If you don't study two subjects a day, you will not be able to catch up all the subjects and connect it all the subjects. In gate paper, they may give you questions which all two, three, four subjects will be connected. So at least two subjects is minimum in a day. So I used to do two subjects, sometimes three,
Okay.
not more than three, but two subjects was the minimum for me in a day.
Okay.
Or no, not if not subjects, I used to do topics. Topics would be easy, two different topics.
Okay. And Manish, most of the students have this exam pressure, and due to exam day, they will be they are at very high stress. And how did you handle your pressure or stress on the last day of your exam when you attempted your gate exam? Because of that, most of the students do mistake, right? So how you overcome that mistake?
When we prepare ourselves, sir, we'll not feel the stress, we'll not feel any fear till the last moment. So this time's exam was on 10th February. So till 8, you'll not feel anything, sir. You'll be cool because I have studied everything and I have done test series and everything was great. So till 8, you'll not feel anything. On 9, the feeling will start. Your legs will be shaking. You'll get scared. This thing happened to me. I was like, I don't want to write a gate exam. Let it have postponed for 1 month. I'll study one more month. But I don't want to appear now. But it was my feeling. No, so things will not change. So I was scared. I was stressed. So I went in the exam hall like this, and I sat the same way, stressed and scared. But as the time started, so due to my habit of solving the problems and doing 200 test series, 200 plus test series, I was habituated that when the time starts, you don't have time to think of any other thing. So no matter what, you need to be focused. No matter what, just do. Keep your scale or some pressure everywhere aside and have the pressure of the time and solving problems now. So was not able to handle. I just made my focus to shift from fear to solving problems in the right direction. This is the main thing. We need to focus in the right direction. Shift the focus. So this is the thing helped me to focus in the right direction in the exam hall. Before the exam hall, no one can help us. You will be scared and stressed. No one can. I called my colleagues. They were also facing the same issue. But I thought it will be relaxing me, but nothing relaxed me. And so this is how the exam went, and everything went with the time, sir. It will pass.
Okay. And coming to the test series, Manish, test series is a important plays an important role in the preparation of the student, right? So, as we provide 230 plus test series, which consist of topic wise, subject wise, multiple subject wise, and grant test. So, how did you attempt this test series, and what was your strategy when you are attempting the test? Like after completing test, did you make any note of questions that you were not able to solve, or do you revise the mistakes that you repeated? So, what was your complete strategy related to the test series in this throughout 1 year preparation?
So in the end, we need to write the exam, sir.
Yeah.
So you made it very clear at the first day of my class only that we have to write exams every week.
Yeah.
So from the first week, we were writing exams. So this test helped us to get ready for the main exam. Where as time started, we got automatically habituated unconsciously to focus on the paper. At the starting, as we were not ready to solve the problems, you gave us easy like topics, small topics. As the time went, you made it bit difficult, like subject wise, like PYQs. So your test series were perfectly prepared for us, for me. I think I had 1 year gap, so I was not prepared to focus that much. So the basic easy test series, then moderate, then making it subject wise, then making it PYQ wise, then complete grand test. These all helped me in the real gate exam. When you sit in the exam hall, and the time starts, your mind should unconsciously work,
Okay.
and it will not be working in 1 day or 2 day or 3 day or 1 month. it should be, if it is done in last 6 months, automatically, unconsciously, you will be focused in the exam hall.
Okay.
No matter what, you will be automatically focused. So these test series are the, what I would say, like the our neurons in our body nerves. These test series come in every step. If it is in every step, then only your whole body will work,
Okay.
like the new neurons and nerves. So test series are very wonderful, sir. It was perfectly planned for us, designed for us.
Okay. Manish, coming to the mistakes, like after solving test series or any previous year questions, if you are doing mistakes on this test or solving any questions, what would you do at that time? Whether you used to make a note of this mistakes in a separate notes, or what did you worked on these things like to overcome these mistakes and all?
This year in GATE 2024, I still made a mistake. So even after preparing for this much time, I still made a mistake. So mistakes are inevitable. They'll be made. How much you prepare. So the thing is, how less you make the mistake. At the starting, you will be making 20 mistakes, 15 mistakes. But at the end, it should be decreased. It cannot be 15 mistakes, 10 mistakes as the beginning. So at the end, you need to make it at least two mistake or a single mistake. So how can you make that possible? It's only possible when you make a note of your mistakes. You will revise your notebooks. You will revise all the concepts. But without realizing your mistakes, revising your mistakes, you will keep doing that mistake again and again. Well, you will do you may solve a problem 2 times, 3 times, but 4 times again you will be making that mistake. This can only be prevented when you make a mistake notebook. Means after revising a topic, just revise the mistakes you have made in your mistake notebook. This will help you not go in the same loop of doing the same mistake. Mistakes are the thing you will be make every time. So to prevent that, you need to have a compulsory mistake notebook, which will be like revising notes of your mistakes. So when you make a mistake notebook, it will help you to make less mistakes in the end. Like I still made 2 mistakes in this gate aerospace paper. Like for pi square by 18 calculation, I have done pi by 18 calculation.
Okay.
So this is the basic mistake someone can make in calculation. But still, I'm happy that I didn't made a concept mistake.
Okay.
This was only possible because I made a concept mistake notebook. These calculation mistakes, this will occur because of stress or fear. This cannot be avoided. These silly mistakes, but the major mistakes like concept misunderstanding or applying the wrong formula, not able to understand question properly, understanding something else. This will be only avoided with your mistake notebook. So you need to have a mistake notebook for sure
Okay.
with the revision.
And you used to write the test series, and in test series also the questions you were not able to solve, you used to write it separately, or you just used to make a note of only mistakes?
No, sir. After each test, I used to take 2 to 3 hours to analyze. Why was I not able to solve those problems? I have studied, but still I'm not able to solve. Why was it happening? What was my mindset during those tests? So it was not just noting down the mistakes. First, you need to analyze. Do it again one more time without seeing. Means doing twice or twice those tests. Again, if you make those same mistake, note it down.
Okay.
This is the process I used to follow. But doing analyze. Where was I going wrong? What was the main mistake? Because you can't write each and every mistake in your notebook.
Okay.
It will be very complex at the end.
Okay.
So try doing it one more time without seeing.
Okay.
Means not like you are seeing the question and again you have done one time again you are doing without. Means you need to do test at least twice or thrice. Then you'll know what's your proper mistake doing.
Okay.
So this is the routine I followed during my test.
Okay, Manish. And Manish, throughout a preparation phase of a student, usually there will be ups and downs. And how did you handle yourself in this complete preparation, and what motivated you to continue your preparation throughout this year?
I am a poetry person, sir.
Okay.
So before starting my GATE exam, I used to read poems or quotes. I used to follow books.
Okay.
I used to read a lot of things. So I read somewhere motivation is an excuse for a normal person to not start.
Okay.
So it was fitted in my mind. So I did not wait for motivation. If I would have waited for motivation, I would wait for 1 more year to get a rank. I already wrote 2022 GATE, where I got only 24 marks. Then again I wrote 2023, where I got only 9 marks. Now this year 2024. If I would have waited for motivation, then again I write 2025. So it's not motivation which has driven me to the process. It was my decision which I made on my first day to get a GATE AR1. And this sentence, it's not only about deciding. You need to always remind yourself during your preparation that what had you made a decision on your first day. And no matter what you need to do, this will help you. Motivation is not going to send us somewhere. It's the word you make it yourself.
Okay, great,
This is the thing
Manish.
which helped me in my preparation.
Okay, so basically, your attitude, which fetched you your All India rank 19.
Yes, sir. And not only attitude, it's obviously about mindset
Okay,
because we are scared and feared. It's our mindset. It's how you behave for the question. It's obviously how we behave.
okay. And Manish, throughout your preparation phase, if you want to take just 3 points out of your complete preparation phase, and if you want to suggest your juniors or any future aspirant, like if you follow these 3 steps, definitely they will achieve good rank in GATE Aerospace exam. So can you give them 3 takeaways from your preparation?
Yes, sir. Firstly, the revision part because at first you will be learning the concept. Again, you will be forgetting. At first, I did not understand the importance of revision because I am the same person who has forgotten all the concepts on a bachelor's degree. So same in the first month, I didn't revise. In the second month, you scolded me because I was not able to remember anything. So revision in the second month, I came to know that revision is very important. So from that day, I made revision not weekly. I made it everyday part. Revising daily something, this topic or that subject. Revision should be a daily thing, a daily routine. So at the end, it will be like not a new topic, or you will not need to make your mind to this question or this topic. It will happen automatically. At the end, you need to make it yourself like unconscious thing because you have only 3 hours
Yeah.
and 65 questions. It means 2 or 3 minutes on an average. You can't wait and think which topic, which subject, how to solve. So this all needs to be done unconsciously, and it will happen only with revision. Not every week. It should be every day. It's your mind which will be set to do revision
Okay.
every day, and at the end, that revision will reward you with an unconscious mindset. Revision is very important. Do it should be done on a daily basis. This is the first thing, revision. Second, surround yourself with the books. Wherever you go, you should be thinking in your mind of the formulas of the concept. You cannot do it without passion. GATE exam. You need to have passion, and if it is passion for the in your preparation thing, it should be in your mind every time. In your house, you should always be sitting near your desk, and your desk should be covered with books. When you go outside, the formula should be in your mind everywhere in the air. Means every time only this aerospace thing should be in your mind. So you surround yourself with the things which is related to the GATE exam. And third should be the extracurricular part, which you have been doing since last 20 years. Like the thing I have been doing is jogging, meditating, and exercising and playing some sport. You have been doing this since last 20 years. And suddenly you say, I want to prepare for GATE exam and I'm going to leave you. Your mind will not means your body will not adapt because that's your base, that's who you are, it's your identity. If you leave that identity, you will not go nowhere. So during your preparation, give at least just an 1 hour in your 24 hour day. Just give an hour for your hobby or an extracurricular thing which you have been doing since last 20 years. So in this way, your body will not lose yourself. You should not lose yourself during your preparation. So you will be connected to yourself in the preparation because of this hobby. So these 3 things I wanted to give suggestion to the aspirants who are preparing for 2025.
If you want to, and what is your future goal, Manish? What is your plan now?
Future goals, sir. I don't have a long-term future. Before 6 months, I had a goal to get AR1. So I didn't get AR1, but I'm okay with AR19.
Okay.
It's just 9 beside 1. I'm very, very happy with my AR19. So I had AR1 goal, which I didn't achieve, but it was okay. So for now, I again have a small term goal, which is to pursue masters from IIT
Okay.
and get a placement in some small company in my core field, because the thing which I have started was about getting a recognition in this field, aerospace field. Otherwise, I would have gone to mechanical field or somewhere like IT. Everyone is going. So I want to get recognition. And when will I get the recognition? When I go to IITs, do masters and do job in my core field, like propulsion in GE or design in Boeing or Airbus. In India, I can go to HCL. I want to do whatever I want to do is in my field. I don't want to go somewhere else. So for now, I would just want to get master's degree and a job in my core field. That's my small short-term future goal.
This is one of the best answer, Manish, that we have heard from last few years. Like getting recognition in the core field. There are very few students who are passionate related to aerospace like you, and we are very happy to hear this response from you. So, Manish, how was your experience at Gateway Space Academy related to the faculty and environment at Gateway Space Academy? Because you were offline program student at Hyderabad Center. So, what is your complete experience at Gateway Space Academy, Manish?
So as my second suggestion was about the surroundings, sir, to surround yourself with the things you need for the GATE exam. So everything was provided to the GATE Aerospace Academy. The faculty, the classmates, they all helped me to pursue my dream or my goal, whatever, sir. Like getting a recognition or getting a AR1. So my classmates helped me to compete with themselves. As at the starting, I was in the bottom of the class. I was not able to catch up with them as I had a 1 year gap. But this classmates helped me to get complete, and you always pushed me, and you told me that you have the capability. So in the process, I was also able to find my capability because of you. You always, every time, not like you told me once and then left whatever you wish. You told me not once. Every time you used to tell me, Manish, you have the capability. You can do it. Maybe because of that, at that I was able to pursue my dream goal. So and my classmates, I was at the end, I was not able to get the top of the class, but I was in the top 5 at the end of my term. So the environment was the thing which helped me. Environment is the very important when you are pursuing something. You can't go do it all alone. When you want to achieve something, you need to have a group who share similar goals or similar dreams. So I got everything. Not only the students, my professors had bigger goals than me. So environment was perfect for a gate aspirant in the Gate Aerospace Academy.
We are very lucky, Manish, to get students like you. Like even at offline center at Hyderabad, Nikhil, you, and Rohit, and Kidron, most of you all got top ranks. We are very happy for that. And there are even some other students who really worked hard, but they did some mistakes in the exams and they couldn't clear it. But enrollment at offline center is really very great, and we are very
Yes.
we are very fortunate to get such hardworking and sincere students to us. And Manish, you are one
You
of
make
the
us
we
we
push, but
don't we don't get over there, sir, with talent or something. You take out talent from us. You make us over there.
no, we will try to push even Manish. Like even other faculty used to tell us that Manish is also a very good, talented person. He have that caliber of getting good rank. It's not about you. It's we discuss about all the students who come to us, and always
Yes,
try
sir.
to push even the student. Even you have seen that there are students who didn't who used to get even 5-6 marks in the test, but we used to even push each and every student who joined
Yes,
us,
sir.
right? So that
Okay.
is the best part. And luckily, as I told you that we are very happy that you people got success, and you all deserve this success, and we are very happy for that. And if you remember that, on every day after class, I used to tell that you have to be answerable to two people in this life. One is yourself, and second thing is your parents. And I think after your results, your parents were very happy, I think, and convey our
Yes,
wishes to
sir.
your parents to like tell them that we are very proud of your son, and
Third
very happy,
person, sir.
Manish.
Third person teachers, sir. Without them, it is nothing is possible because parents don't teach us and students don't realize themselves.
Yeah.
So it is the teachers who make who make us realize our things. So there is the third person whom we should answer, the teachers, because they are in the process. Parents are not in the process. They support us, but teachers are in the process. You are in our process. So at the end, you are the first person we need to answer. Afterward, it is to ourselves. Then comes the parents. The parents support us.
Yeah, we are very
We are
happy,
in the process.
Manish. We are very much happy for the results that you guys produced this year, and
Thank you.
every year we are consistently producing results to our classroom program students. And you know that how hard work the faculty at Gateway Space Academy does for the students every day.
More than a sir.
And it was finally the results were very happy, made us very happy this year. And thank you, Manish, again for joining this session. And all the best for your future, Manish. Stay connected. We will be connected forever. And
Yes, so that's the environment you give me, sir.
any final words you want to tell to the aspirants who are preparing for Gate Aerospace exam in coming years?
Yes, sir. My batch in my BTech, my percentage was 67%. I don't remember the single topic I have read in my 4 years of BTech. But in last 6 months, whatever you have taught me, I can remember for my whole life now. So there's a saying I would end with. It's not the teachers who get the students. It's the student who get the teacher. That is, at the right time, you will get the right teacher.
Thank you so much,
This is the
Manish.
sentence.
Thank you so much, Manish. All the best, Manish. Once again, thank you for giving this session and helping the future aspirants. Thank you.
My pleasure. It was honored